Caribbean groove.
Caribbean groove.
Caribbean groove.
It's just like Caribbean but with a K, and then groove. Well, you know, we're from the Caribbean, so we wanted to bring all of that sound, that fusion to everything that we do. So we made our own arrangements to different songs just to change them up a little bit. Man, we have a melting pot of stuff. We just play funk, reggae,
R&B, Motown, soul,
compa, anything. We just bring everything to the table.
We have this chemistry.
It's the best feeling ever to, you know, be on keys and watching somebody dancing to my vibe, and that inspires me to play better.
The energy from the people there is just crazy.
The best feeling in the world is to play music and just to see the audience just reacting to what we're doing. Just forget everything else that they're doing and just be in that moment. Actually, we play from Charlotte County all the way to Naples. They can go to Facebook and find our page through there, or they can give us a call that's on our card, which is the 239-687-0194, and they get in contact with me, and then we just book whatever you need.